Nigerians drag Adeboye wife to the moon. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for always stopping by. To my new subscriber, you're highly welcome, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the bell on in case of any time just upload any video, any update, you will be the first person to notify. And please don't forget to like, share, and also leave your comment in the comment section down below. God bless you guys as you do. Yes, my wonderful people, I just still come back again with another gist. This very one is about Adeboye and his wife. The man completes 79 years old today, which the wife come and celebrate his husband, my people. No be small thing for social media. Una no say anything about pastors, the way Nigeria they take them, because they don't already know say many Nigeria pastors, many of them, they be deceiver. The Bible wey they preach about, many of them they don't they practice wetin we dey inside the Bible. They already preach the one way dey convenience for them, and they take the one way see dey convenience for them, because a lot of Nigerians they don't open, they don't get up, they don't wake up, they don't even open eye say all this our charlatans pastor, many of them they be deceiver. As his wife come out for social media come celebrate his husband, hey my God, he just be like, who ask her to even come out for social media? A lot of people they attack the woman and the husband. My people, una no want about all this our pastors, all this so-called Nigeria pastor where they claim say they be pastor, because if people attack them, you no go blame them, because many of them they don't open eyes, many of them they don't wake up from their sleep. They don't already know say all these so-called pastors, they dey there to brainwash a lot of people. It's just so bad that a lot of people they are still believing on all this their pastor G.O, Mama G.O. As she come and celebrate the husband, my people, wetin she write to my people now make people still attack her. Well, may we read wetin she write. She said, Adeboye, 79 years ago, God brought you into this world, especially just for me. He knew I will need a companion, a king, a priest, a prophet, a gentleman, and he made you for me. I am thankful for the love you continue to show me, and I love you just as much. You are a husband every woman wants. My people, the father every child love, and the friends no one want to share. On this most special day for you, my most special man, may God bless you with grace and mercy. May he continue to make your life sweet and your path straight. May he bless you with most healthy years as we continue to go through life together. Happy 79th birthday, my love. Now be waiting the woman right, my people. You know why people attack her? Because of that words where she used, where she said that a husband, you are husband to every woman wants. Abba, my people. That one wey she write put for there, I believe say na make a lot of people, Nigerian people, they attack the woman. Make una see comment as comment dey flow. Una know say one thing is that Naija people, they know they carry last for comment. If they even say make they do what comment, Naija country, they go even carry first for that comment section. Una know say if una want make everything dey good, Naija people dey ready. If they want make everything scatter, Naija people they still know how to do am. Any corner where you call them, Naija people they already dey there. As that woman make that statement say every woman want to be, my people, as she take talk am, I believe that is the point where make Nigerians people attack the woman. There was a lot of comments that was just pouring hard that made the woman speak for herself, where I will just take few of the comments. May I read the comment, make una see how a lot of people take attack the woman. This one said, it said, lovely message, but speak for yourself. The other one said that who they cut onions here. My people, there was just a lot of comment that was just pouring in because of that words where she used. You are the husband every woman wants. This one said, madam, speak for yourself. My daughter will not get married to a thief. Which one is you are the husband every woman wants? Like this very one, the person was asking the woman, say, Adeboye wife, say, abeg, when is Jesus coming home? The strange words coming out from these people mouth to pastor is unbelievable. Yet it is the same church they speak against, they run to when they are in trouble. See the way the devil is using them. The pastor have different revelation and say what God revealed to them. Did they force anyone or more? This own country is messed up for. The other one say God forbid me to have husband like him, a husband that went to Aso Rock and refused to tell people the truth, especially his member that late President Buhari is dead and buried. I be waiting that one talk. And the other one said, madam, speak for yourself. My daughter will not get married to a thief. Which one is you are the husband every woman wants? Hey, my people, exactly. I believe that words where she used, she for yourself use the words for herself, and yourself leave the comment for dear comot log out or whatever. But when she can say every woman, and I don't say all these so-called pastors, they all they like to wetin they do make everybody do because that is just their way. Because they fit say if you no do wetin they do, na be say you dey go air fire abi anywhere. My people, una know one thing about this Christianity. Christianity is not by do or by die. Christianity is not about going to church every Sunday, prayer meeting, prayer this. All those one is not prosperity for we, my people. It's not by going to church that from there you will get your prosperity or you will live long. No, it's not by all those one, my people. Just that all those pastors, they are still telling people that when you come to church, is there you will get your prosperity. Prosperity, you get your prosperity by your hard working, my people. That is the only place that you will get your prosperity. It's not about going to church Monday to Sunday. That is where you will get your prosperity. No. If any pastor tell you that coming to church Monday to Sunday you will get your prosperity, that pastor is just a deceiver. Your hard working, your hard labor is your prosperity. No be all this one say console here and there. Because all these so-called pastors wey we dey see for Nigeria, they don deceive a lot of people, and a lot of people they don even wake up for them to even believe wetin dem dey talk for mouth. Like they no dey believe again. Many of them they no dey believe again. When some people see dey wey they see they use the brainwash, wey they use the brainwash. Once their daddy GO or their mommy GO just say something, they can't even question anything wey their daddy GO just talk, they just keep to it. Abba, that one is a slave now, my people, for real. Well, my wonderful people, let me leave you guys for here. What do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section down below, and see you guys on my next video. And please don't forget to like, share, and also leave your comment. Bye bye, and remain blessed. Ciao ciao.